In this example, we want to find the marginal profit of this profit function. Given in this scenario, the profit in dollars from the sales of X Godzilla statues can be estimated by 3x minus 0.5x times the natural log of X. So we want to find the marginal profit, which the marginal profit is going to be P prime of X, the derivative of our profit function. So in this case, we have 3x minus 0.5x times the natural log of X. And this is a good exercise in a couple things. Using the sum and subtraction rule of derivatives, that we just take the derivative separately of 3x and then take the derivative here with that subtraction sign, just derivative of 3x minus and then derivative of this. So derivative of 3x is just 3. Then we're going to have minus. Now I'm going to put this in parentheses because I got to take the derivative of this. And this is where it's going to get a little bit messy because we have 0.5x times the natural log of x. So we have a function times a function. So we have to use product rule there. Product rule is the derivative of the first function, 0.5x. The derivative of 0.5x is just 0.5 times the original second function, so natural log of x. And you could think of this as 0.5 times x times natural log of x and then deal with that. It just gets a little bit more complicated. I just like to think of it as 0.5x times the natural log of x, and either way is fine. Plus the original first function, so 0.5x, times the derivative of the second function. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So then what you might notice is two things. I have this minus. Now notice how I wrote this minus here, because I am subtracting off the derivative of this term. If you forget these parentheses here, what you're going to end up with is 3 minus 0.5 natural log of x plus 0.5x 1 over x. So you're going to forget that, oh, I'm subtracting off the entire derivative here. So you really have to do minus this, minus that. So you do have to make sure you distribute that. But so I'm going to knock out two things in one here. I'm going to distribute that minus while also noticing this. See this? This is 0.5x over x. Because it's 0.5x times 1. 0.5x times 1 is 0.5x over the x. X's are going to cancel there. So I'm going to be left with 3 minus 0.5 times the natural log of x minus just 0.5. See that? Because the x's are going to cancel out there, leaving me with just 0.5. And it's really easy to just be like, okay, done, cool. But 3 minus 0.5, believe it or not, are like terms. 3 minus 0.5 is going to be 2.5 minus 0.5 times the natural log of x. So that would be the marginal profit. And then from there, we'd be able to answer some applications. But just in this example, we are told to just find the marginal profit. And there it is.